Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about some latest update of Bitcoin Hyper. This is the Bitcoin layer 2 Presale project. What I found inside the ecosystem, we will check about the listing, when we will see the listing of this project, even about the listing price. Further, we will check the whole thing inside this video because some amazing points available inside the white paper, especially about the audit already completed, even especially about the listing is coming in this year. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Presale project, Pi network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So welcome to Bitcoin Hyper. This is a new Presale project, Bitcoin layer 2 Presale project. So the presale is live. The price is 0.011875. For now, 1.2 million rest in the presale project. This is a new presale project. So if you stake your token, you will get 616% profit. This is the staking rewards. So further inside the website, you can check everything. You can find the whole thing about this. This is the details. Further, if you scroll down, how to buy it. So the link is below in the description. If you want to purchase this Presale project, you can purchase it with Ethereum, Ethereum, and then we have a BNB, we have USDT. You can purchase it. Simply connect your wallet, any of this wallet, and then make sure you have Ethereum inside your wallet in order to purchase this token. So going to the white paper, inside the white paper, of course, you will find all the details. I can say everything about the ecosystem. You can find everything about this project, about the presale stages, about the price, about the listing. Make sure to check it from the top to bottom. But what I will do in here, we will check some updates, like this is about technical information. So the Bitcoin layer 1, and then we have the main thing that I'm gonna want to share it with you. Let me scroll down. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so token economic, of course the supply is 21 billion. So the initial presale price begins at 0.011500, and then each stage is gonna for 3 days. So the duration is 3 days, and then there are multiple stages. We don't know whether 5, 10, but there are multiple stages, and the listing is coming on Q3 to Q4 of 2025. This is what the listing. So the listing is gonna we might see the listing on Q3 or Q4 inside decentralized exchange, inside centralized exchanges. So you can purchase it with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, and then your credit card. Further, if we scroll down, this is allocation. Here you can see, and then this is the listing strategy. Check in here. The listing price will be 0.012975. This is the listing price, and then planned listing date is Q3 Q4 2025. Any of this, any date, we will see the listing of this project inside decentralized exchange, inside centralized exchange. Okay, so further, this white paper was issued on date by 4 of May 2025. So you can see this is all the detail. Check in here. Issuer information, you can check in here. So for the risk disclaimer, make sure to check everything in here before purchasing. I'm not your financial advisor. So this is what I recommend you to check this project. You can check the white paper because everything is available in here. This was some important news. I can say important updates about the white paper, about the listing. So the else you can check it yourself. So these are the main point. Everyone just want to know the listing, whether when we will see the listing, what will be the listing price. So this is what I mentioned in the video. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Smash the like button. 20 volt time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.